Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that lab token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, lab is a multi-chain trading infrastructure for sport limits and perhaps with an AI research engine delivering high performance execution and actionable strategies across surfaces. Lab is a multi-chain trading terminal that integrates sport limits and perpetual trading with AI driven analytics, aiming to streamline cross chain execution and reduce cost for users. Lab positions itself as a holistic solution for multi chain trading, blending speed, cost efficiency, and community incentives. Its success hinges on adoption across evolving blockchain networks. Can it maintain technical agility as new chains emerge? Lab token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 230.4 million lab token. Lab token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.